What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Shout out to Supcase. They sent your boy out a case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so we going to check it out. As you can see, we got the official Supcase branding, and this is military drop tested. Let's take a look at the back, and as you can see on the back, we got the S24 Ultra Mag XT tilt. Perfect grip, scratch resistant, shock resistant, dual layer design, so that's a lot of protection, accurate cutout. So you're gonna need all that in the case. Let's just go ahead and get this thing out and see what it's about. Case out like so. So we got a blue colorway here, guys. This is a different colorway. I can see it through this little packaging. Pull it out, and what we got here, guys, is a lot of protection. Now this case has MagSafe powers, as you can see, and this is the ultimate protection for your camera lenses, because you do not want to mess up any camera lenses on a device like this. These devices are all about the cameras. They have big protruding camera lenses, so you have to be very careful. Now as you can see, we got the UB in the middle for Unicorn Beetle. We got some feet in the corners. Now feet in the corners is important because these feet actually raise this case up. You see this nice baby blue type finish, metallic blue type finish. If you put it on a flat surface, maybe like some cement, it'll get scratched up. But having some feet that set it up, raise it up a little bit, is not going to be getting all scratched up on the back. Now different type of colorway, as you can see, we got the camera door here in the silver colorway, and this opens and closes like so. So that's pretty dope right there. One of the most impressive things about this case right here, guys, is you see this. You see these areas of bolstering in the corners on the edges. Now this is where your phone, if you drop it a lot of times, lands right on the corner. You see them nice nasty cracks right on the corner after somebody dropped their phone. All this padding and drop absorption right here, almost like air cushion technology to brace the device, and the case will take that beating. And we got the same thing down bottom, so very dope. We look at the bottom, all cutouts are on deck, and we also have a cutout for a lanyard. Nice touch. Oh, I like the side of this case, guys. Now we got some grips. Grip is always important for drop protection, because with the right grip, you won't drop your device in the first place. We got some Supcase branding, and we had some colorful buttons that match the back. So they doing a little razzle dazzle on this Mag XT, guys. I like it to match the back of the case. And up in this corner, we got a more faux carbon fiber type look. I like that. I like when they put different materials, and even if they're not the real material, it just give it a nice, unique look. On the inside, as you can see, more Supcase branding and the Supcase design going on the inside of this case. Now we got the device in the case, but you can't tell because the door is closed. And if you're somebody that don't take a lot of pictures often, and you really worry about those protruding camera lenses, this is for you. You know, if you're somebody that's always taking pictures and things of that nature, and always trying to catch that world star moment, you may forget that this is closed. If you never really take pictures and then you decide on the moments when you want to take pictures, not as often, this may be for you. At least you know your lenses will not be messed up at all, no matter what pocket you put this device in, no matter if you drop this device, whatever happens. But you can easily open this up like so, and there we have it, that beautiful camera array, that powerful camera array on the S24 Ultra for you to use. And this even has like a felt type material right here, soft material, just to make sure they're not messing up your camera lenses. I like that touch. We could close this back and it locks in place. All cutouts are matching down bottom. Nice cutout for your S Pen, your Type-C, your speaker, and your lanyard. You even getting a nice fluid button press. These buttons are not built into the sides. These are actual buttons that they put in there. You could tell by the way the button press is very tactile and almost has the feeling of like you don't even have a case on the phone pressing a button. I like a natural type button press like that. But this is the Supcase Mag XT. There'll be a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Again, shout out to Supcase for sending this out and making this video possible. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.